In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a watermark in Photoshop, step by step. Whether you want to protect your photos, promote your brand, or simply add a professional touch to your images, creating a reusable watermark is quick and easy once you know the process. I'll cover how to make a simple text watermark, how to use a logo as a watermark, and how to save it so you can reuse it anytime. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's create a text watermark, which is the most common method photographers and content creators use. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. Once your image is open, go to the toolbar on the left and select the Type tool, or simply press T on your keyboard. Click anywhere on your image and type your watermark text. This could be something like the copyright symbol followed by your name, your Instagram handle, or your brand name. After typing your text, go to the top toolbar to customize it. Here you can change the font, adjust the size, and pick a color. For a clean and professional look, many photographers use a simple sans serif font. White is a popular choice, especially on darker images, but you can also use light gray depending on your photo. Next, go to the Layers panel. Make sure your text layer is selected, then lower the opacity to somewhere between 20 and 40%. This makes the watermark visible but subtle, so it doesn't distract from the image itself. You can adjust this depending on how bold or faint you want it to appear. Now, select the Move tool and drag your watermark into position. Most people place it in one of the corners, like the bottom right, but you can also place it across the center if you want stronger protection against unauthorized use. Once you're happy with the placement, your text watermark is complete. Now let's look at how to create a logo watermark using a PNG file. This is ideal if you already have a logo with a transparent background. With your image open in Photoshop, go to File, then choose Place Embedded. Locate your logo PNG file and click Place. Photoshop will insert it onto your image. You'll see transform controls appear around the logo. Use Ctrl or Command plus T if you need to manually transform it. Drag the corners to resize the logo proportionally. Hold Shift if needed to maintain proportions, depending on your Photoshop version. Resize it so it fits naturally on the image without overpowering it. Once it's sized correctly, go back to the Layers panel and reduce the layer opacity to around 20 to 50%. Again, this depends on how subtle you want the watermark to be. Finally, use the Move tool to position the logo in a corner or centered across the image. That's it. You now have a professional logo watermark applied to your photo. Now let's make your watermark reusable so you don't have to recreate it every time. Open a new document in Photoshop and make sure the background is transparent. You can do this by selecting Transparent in the background contents when creating a new file. Then create your text watermark or place your logo exactly how you want it to appear. Once your watermark design is ready, go to File, then Export, and choose Export As. Select PNG as the file format to preserve transparency. Save the file with a clear name like watermark.png. From now on, whenever you edit a photo, you can simply drag and drop this PNG file onto your image, resize it, adjust the opacity if needed, and you're done. This saves a lot of time, especially if you edit photos in batches. And that's how to create a watermark in Photoshop, using both text and logo methods, plus how to save it for future use. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.